do, y'all? It's your boy Fiero Boy 86 coming back with a brand new video. So in today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how to install y'all LED headlights in y'all Pontiac Fieros. If you do not follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, please do so at Fiero Boy _86. Also, please hit that subscribe button and that bell, because we ain't doing nothing but running it up this year, most definitely. Also, please hit that like button for your boy, because you already know I want everybody to see this video. Not just you, everybody, you know what I'm saying? So most definitely. So this right here was something that me and my boy Fiero Kyle, his link in the description. Please go check him out up on YouTube as well. He had one of the cleanest 80 late model Fieros out there, man. I think like 86 or 87, clean. So go ahead and go check him out. His link will be in the description. All right, y'all. So this right is what's going on today. You could tell by the title of the thumbnail, we are installing LED headlights in your Fiero. So let's go and turn this camera around real quick. Yeah, y'all. So as y'all can tell what's going on. So first I had to disconnect this right here, which is gonna end up being like your headlight wire right here. Then also too, I had to disconnect your motor, which is that right there. Now, when you disconnecting your motor, just make sure that everything is good with it. Make sure it can go back in, you know, and everything, which is gonna be looking just like that. Make sure everything good on there. Okay, so now I'm about to go to the other side. Y'all can tell, Pontiac Fiero, yes sir. So yeah, so now I'm about to do this side right here. So let me show you how easy this is. Which gonna be your headlight connection. There you go right there. And also too, let's go ahead and disconnect this motor. Just right here. Okay, hold on just for a second, y'all. All right, y'all, so I have disconnected my headlight motor right there. So I have disconnected the connection from the back, which is right there, the headlight. Then I also had did the connection right here. So let me go run back here and get my tools, and we can go ahead and get started, y'all. All right, y'all, so the next step is you gotta take out these screws on the side, which is gonna end up being this one. And then you also have one right there that you gotta take out. And so once you get done taking those out, then you got to take out the screws that's in the front as well, which there's going to be two at the top. So it's going to be one here, it's going to be another one on the other side. So you also got to take those out as well. Now once you get done doing that, just make sure that you do have your headlight switch off. It's going to be right there. Make sure you have this right here off when you're doing this. That right there. Because I tell you, you having your headlight on, you can, you know what I'm saying, burn your battery out. So make sure you have your headlight switch off when you're doing this. So then what can happen is it can run smooth. And so now we're about to get into taking out these screws. And so I'm about to take out this other one. So this one, so that one right there goes right there. So now I'm about to ready to take out the other one right now. And then we're gonna go to the other side and we're gonna end up doing the same thing over there. And so I will be getting back with y'all when I get done taking out the plastic top. And so we can go ahead and move into taking out the headlight bulb. Like I said, I just really thank my boy Fiero Kyle for helping me with this, and also showing me some tips to take out their headlight assemblies and get ready to do that with an LED, so then you can actually see at nighttime. So I will be showing y'all that as well. I will be showing y'all the brand new LEDs on how they look at nighttime. When I do be driving at night, I will be showing y'all that, so most definitely. So as y'all can tell, it's a screw right there, which is this one right here, and it's gonna end up being this. This right gonna be the other screw that you gotta take out. Come on, thing, get up in there. So it'll be here, and then this screw. And so we're about to take out both of these right now, and then we're gonna end up going into further steps of being able to take out these right here. So I'm gonna be showing y'all that right there next. All right, y'all, so now we have gotten off the headlight cover, which one is looking like this. You know what I'm saying? And so this is how your headlight gonna end up looking like. It's gonna literally look exposed. And so all we gotta do now is just take out the other headlight deals, and that is it. So like the other headlight screws, and I think that right there will be it, y'all. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, so now we are moving on to step 3, which we are actually about to remove these screws right here. It's like 2 screws at the top and 2 screws at the bottom. So we're about to go ahead and remove those so we can go ahead and take this headlight bulb out and go ahead and install the LEDs in there. Now these LEDs are plug and play, so that's why I like them so much. And I think that they're gonna end up working perfectly. So let's go ahead and get that started. Alright, y'all, so we have gotten our headlight out, our original headlight, which I will be keeping. And so this is basically on how it's gonna end up looking, like this. And these are your 2 screws right there. And so basically you're just gonna replay yourself when you get started to going back into the hole. And so now we're about to go to the driver's side and put those in, and then we're just gonna reverse whatever we did. So yes sir. Alright, y'all, so now I do got my brand new LED headlight, which is gonna basically, this is how it's gonna look. Like this. So right here's the box that came out of it. Just like that. And you do have like an extra extension for the back, so just in case yours is messed up, you can always put in that one. So definitely, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I am back. Right now, I got one side in, but what happened was my what they call like the retainer ring, it broke on me. So but I will be showing y'all the light now. So I'm very, very happy I did put it back in, get a chance to put it back in. All I was pretty much doing was just doing the same thing that I did before. Just making sure that the headlight and stuff was all the way in and things like that. So I'm about to go ahead and put the cover back on and just go ahead and just go from there, because I'm just sad that the retainer ring broke on me, y'all. But now I'm about to show y'all the headlight. Let's get it. Yeah, y'all, so as y'all can tell, I got it in. Yes, sir. Got it in, y'all. As y'all can tell, got it working. Got it looking good right now. And see, my other headlight was not doing this, y'all. My other headlight is so dim. I just don't get why old school headlights are so dim. So I'm about to go ahead and put the other side in, and we're gonna go ahead and get this done. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, so now I actually got this one in now, and now I'm just trying to figure out how did this whole assembly come out of over here. So I'm gonna show you. So as y'all can tell, the whole assembly came out right there. So I'm just trying to figure out how did the whole assembly come out. I don't have no idea, but we have to figure it out right now. I just wanted to let y'all know I have number 2 in now. And so now we got to do is just get it back in there, and we are out of here. So let's go ahead and get that started, all right? All right, y'all, so right now I did get them both back in. And so now I'm about to show y'all the headlights here in a second. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video, because you already know, hey, it's your boy Fiero, boy 86, man. So let me go ahead and get these lights on for you so I can go ahead and show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the difference. So I have a picture, you know, it got a few words. I'm gonna show y'all the difference between this one and the other one. So I'm about to show y'all here in a second, okay? Most definitely. But please like, comment, subscribe, and share on this video. Please throw some big likes up on this video, because y'all already know what's going down. It's your boy Fiero, boy 86. Let me go get these lights for y'all. All right, y'all. So we are all done with the LED headlights for my Fiero. Very, very happy that I finally got done with them. You know what I'm saying? There was a few things that had happened. Like I was saying earlier, I broke my retainer here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I broke my retainer. I don't know how I did that, but I will be getting another one soon. And then over here, something had broke on the back part of this light. So I have to try to figure out what actually had broke on the back of this light. Otherwise, we good. We in here. Like I had to get rid of these, y'all. I had to get rid of these because if I did not get rid of these, I don't think I don't think I would be able to see. Yeah, boy, I had to get rid of these bad boys, y'all. Hey, on any classic car you get, you gotta update. You gotta update because these right here are no good. A waste of time, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Old school headlights are a waste of time unless they already LEDs, like a 90s pickup truck or something where you could just go pop them in. Otherwise, these things are a waste of time. You cannot see at nighttime. So definitely get these things right here changed, y'all. So pretty much, I'm just very, very happy. I'm just very, very happy that I finally got them done, y'all. You know, very, very happy. We are all through. You know what I'm saying? I'm just happy, y'all, that she's finally done. So now my next step with her, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see, man. You know what I'm saying? It is coming. You know, but definitely, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to let me know down in the comment section on what y'all think about these brand new LED lights. It's your boy Fiero, boy 86. How we do it? Hey. It's a bird, it's a plane. Whoa, hold up. It's LEDs in my Fiero and I'm gone.